Good day everyone, I am Royston, I am 23 years old, I am from Singapore, and my project is called Mathster. The purpose is to help primary school students with their mathematics. I found that it was actually quite difficult to explain to them the relationship between fractions, decimals, and percentages. So I wanted to illustrate these points and gamify it, and this is why I designed my project, project.py. A login page is shown. To log in, click 1, type in the username, type in the password. It will show that you have logged in using your username to tell you to personalize it. Asking whether you're ready, you can state that you're ready by typing Y and enter. Answering the questions. Let's say you run into a difficulty, you're not really sure on how to do the question, and you type in the wrong answer. Typing the wrong answer will result in a hint being prompted and attempt number 1. Answering it correctly will result in an addition to your current score, and so you will actually not get that question wrong. However, if you were to answer the questions incorrectly, all the way, you are prompted of the correct answer. And if you get the next question correct, you will actually find out that you have gotten the previous question wrong, and as a result, you were not awarded the point. So doing the rest of the questions, at the end of the program, you can see that the current score is 9 and that we have completed 9 points out of 10. We are currently of the rank Math Gold, and then the next rank is Math Platinum, and I need to earn 8 more points to rank up. Let's create a new account. I'll clear the screen. I'll register for a new account. Mathster1@gmail.com. Username being Mathster1. Password I'll key as 123. And Mathster1 as my primary school. Okay, now log in. Mathster1, 123. And now I will answer the same questions. And as Mathster1 is a new account, he starts off with Math Bronze as the rank. And he needs to earn 10 more points, i.e. another game of perfect score, in order to reach the next rank. However, let's say I forget my password. I can click 3, key in Mathster1@gmail.com, Mathster1 as the username that I registered with, and Mathster1 as the primary school. And it's recovered that my password is 123. If you're done with the program, you can click 4 to exit the program.